Fujikin Cartan's BNW series diaphragm valve delivers greater performance characteristics featuring superior leak tightness and a quick diaphragm replacement process that is required in the biopharmaceutical manufacturing market. Manufactured by a renowned and established high-performance equipment manufacturer. The following are the three characteristics of the BNW series. Superior leak tightness. The BNW series diaphragm valve has a superior process containment and leak tightness characteristics compared to competing products. The BNW series has a unique backup diaphragm compared to competing products. Specifically, the backup diaphragm is fixed in position, in addition to a fixed PTFE diaphragm that prevents the diaphragm from sliding. Competing products are prone to leaking issues at the bonnet due to inconsistent torque application from a combined PTFE and EPDM sealing area. Competing products do not include diaphragm placement indexing features to assure accurate positioning of replacement diaphragms every time. Without these features, diaphragms are more apt to slide and flex inappropriately, adversely affecting performance over time. With the BNW series, the superior performance makes it possible to minimize retorquing of the valve, unlike competing products in the marketplace. In addition, our advanced sealing system makes it easier to position the diaphragm when it is replaced and prevents sealing bead wear when operating the valve. Our sophisticated sealing configuration allows superior performance to be maintained, even after repeated operation of the valve, up to 100,000 times at 150 degrees Celsius steam exposure. Using sophisticated and sensitive helium leak detection equipment, we are able to demonstrate the superior containment capabilities that are a result of our unique seal system configuration. We have validated our valve performance using industry-specific high-purity water and high-purity steam as per ASME BPE specification. Quick diaphragm replacement. In the biopharmaceutical manufacturing market, diaphragms are replaced periodically for maintenance purposes. An advantage of the BNW series is rapid replacement of the diaphragm. First, let's take a look at the procedures used to replace diaphragms in ordinary products and replacement process. When changing ordinary diaphragm products. 1. Disassembly. 2. Diaphragm removal. 3. Diaphragm attachment. 4. Hand tightening. 5. Centering. 6. Torquing. And 7. Retorquing of bolts after SIP. This 7-step process requires a lot of time for replacement. The BNW series advanced sealing configuration follows 4 processes. 1. Disassembly. 2. Diaphragm removal. 3. Diaphragm attachment. And 4. Torquing. Additionally, the high degree of external leak tightness eliminates the need for retorquing of bolts after SIP. By reducing the number of steps for diaphragm replacement, maintenance is reduced by about 50% compared to time required for competing products. Assuming a plant that replaces 500 diaphragms per year, this is an overall saving of approximately 45 hours. In addition, the easy and reliable operation reduces the risk of valve malfunction by inexperienced operators, and it allows a consistent, easier process favored by industry regulators. Supporting global markets since 1910 with dedicated regional development and support centers. Fujikin Carten is a high-performance manufacturing supplier with 26 development and support sites around the world in numerous industries, all requiring advanced clean technology. Products for the biopharmaceutical manufacturing market are developed at our global sites. Each site fully equipped with clean steam generators and industry-specific test methodologies to simulate the harshest conditions in the industry. Fujikin Carten is fully equipped with clean steam testing equipment and industry-specific test methodologies to evaluate the BNW series under industry and your process-specific conditions. We strive to improve our products every day. All BNW valves undergo pressure testing before shipping to assure optimal process performance upon arrival. The BNW series diaphragm valve delivers higher reliability and greater efficiency for our customers' plant operations. Our extended product offering includes made-to-order block valves, special fittings, and other valve products including pinch valves, tank valves, sampling valves, etc. Please contact Fujikin or Carten for more information.